Focus Assist is known as Quiet Hours in previous Windows versions. This is a feature designed to minimize distractions from your computer when you are giving a presentation or playing a game on a full screen. To configure Focus Assist, go to Settings, click on System. Now click on Focus Assist. The options at the top shows Focus Assist can be in 3 states: off, priority only, and alarms only. If you want to allow some but not all notifications, choose priority only. Then click on Customize your priority list. You can control what notifications you want to see. Show incoming calls including voice over IP. Show reminders regardless of app used. If you use some apps which can show notifications like mail, Skype, messaging, you can select Show Notifications from Pinned Contacts on taskbar to show notifications only from those contacts. You can select apps to show notifications. Click on Add an app and select the one you want to add. To remove an app, click on it and click on Remove. If you choose alarms only, it stops all notifications except those generated by alarm clock on your computer. You can set up some rules when you want the Focus Assist to turn on automatically. You can select the times to turn on Focus Assist. Click on During these times. You can select the start and end time, days of week like daily, weekends, or weekdays. You can also select Show a notification in Action Center when Focus Assist is turned on automatically. You can turn on or off other rules also, like when I am playing a game, when I am using an app in full screen mode. If you want to see the notifications you missed, select Show me a summary of what I missed while Focus Assist was on. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.